Hi, this is Sean Carter, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the physics-based lightning effect and how to use it effectively. Using the effect is really pretty simple. You just grab the lightning bolt prefab and drag it onto some object that you want to use as the source of the lightning bolt. You can also just drop it into the scene and it will have a single point as the source. Now there are a few different settings you can use to modify how the effect looks and behaves. First off, there are two options for targeting the bolt. The first way to target the bolt is to set the target type to manual target direction. In this mode, the bolt points along the +X direction of the lightning bolt game object. The scale of the lightning bolt in this mode, it depends on the scale of the lightning bolt object, again in the +X direction. If you want to add a little noise to the endpoint, you can do it with the direction noise slider. Notice that there is a Target Layers dropdown at the bottom of the custom editor. The lightning bolt will cast a ray in the direction of the bolt, and if that ray hits an object, then the lightning bolt will terminate at the matching object at the point of contact. The second way to target the lightning effect is to set the target type dropdown to Auto Target Object. In this mode, we drag the target game object into the Auto Target Object reference, and the lightning bolt will naturally follow the target object around. Now I'll run through the other settings. The quality level setting allows you to choose how finely you want each segment of the lightning bolt to be subdivided along its length. Setting this higher gives a more detailed bolt, and setting this lower saves CPU and GPU time. The Draw Portion slider allows you to animate the bolt by drawing it partially. The Animation Speed slider controls how fast the bolt appears to move. The next important control is the Light Relative Intensity slider. This controls how much light the lightning bolt casts. This value is measured relative to the width of the bolt for reasons that will become clear in a moment. Setting it to 0 will disable the light source altogether. The Width slider controls the base width of the bolt. The Flicker slider allows the width of the lightning bolt to dynamically change. If you want the lightning bolt to flash intermittently, you can set the base width of the bolt to a negative number and the flicker to a positive number, and the bolt will appear whenever the sum of the base width and the flicker width is greater than 0. This is how the lightning bolts from the sky in the included demo scene are created. Since the light source intensity is linked to the bolt width, the light source will also naturally flicker in sync with the width flicker. The flicker speed can be adjusted with the flicker speed slider. This brings us to forkedness and fork spread. These two sliders together control how finely the lightning bolt will be forked and how tightly spread the resulting forks are. And there you have it, the physics-based lightning effect from Electric Toad Engineering. We hope you enjoyed this presentation.